Welcome back, Kuradangerz. Thank you for visiting. So for today's video, we got another affordable, sexy, see-through lingerie mga kadangs from online store mga kadangs. And this time, this is from Shopee mga kadangs. Sana naman. Shopee. New color. This time mga kadangs is color white naman tayo mga kadangs. Yung po virgin color, as in color white mga kadangs, no? But before anything else, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe dito sa ating Inday Kuradangerz channel, please do hit the button below, click the bell so that you'll be notified if ever we are going to upload another lingerie. For our new pa-virgin color lingerie mga kadangs, lingerie number 1 mga kadangs is charing! O, diba? So, color white tayo mga kadangs sa pa-virgin color. So, this is our lingerie number 1. So mga kadangs, this is our first lingerie. So as you can see, it has a ribbon in front and in the middle mga kadangs. And look at the detail. It is see-through in the front, lacy, see-through lingerie mga kadangs. And it has a beautiful garterized lining. And of course, this part right here is a cotton material. So this is the back of the panty mga kadangs. It is a conservative cut lingerie mga kadangs, but the detail or the material is so very comfortable, which is cotton. So very nice lingerie mga kadangs. Next lingerie, sexy lingerie mga kadangs is Jan! O, diba? Super sexy na lingerie mga kadangs. So, very nice lacy panty mga kadangs. And look at that. Sa ating next lingerie, it has a ribbon on its side. 2 ribbons. And of course, it's a G-string mga kadangs. And in the front is a lacy see-through mga kadangs. Look at that. And look at it back. It is a thong or a T-back design. Yan mga kadangs. Very sexy. Super sexy lingerie. And yes, it is G-string mga kadangs. Beautiful white thong lingerie mga kadangs. Very sexy. Be sure to shave your down there so that your volbets will not going to came out right in this part right here mga kadangs. And yes, very sexy design mga kadangs. So that's it, our 2 sexy white lingerie mga kadangs. Thank you so much for watching sa ating lingerie haul, and sana makita ulit kayo sa aking next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe in the Kuradangerz channel. See you mga kadangs!